Have you ever thought putting a laundry pod down to your drain and wondered what benefits it may offer? Well, don't worry, as we will explain in this video in a moment. A laundry pod can be so useful in our day-to-day life. From unclogging a drain to freshen up your sneakers, Tide Pods and detergent pods are about to revolutionize the way you tackle everyday challenges in your home. So, join as and discover best 13 life hacks of laundry pod and make your life even easier. Watch till the end for the best tips. Number 13, jewelry cleaning. Want to give your jewelry some extra shine? You can totally use a laundry pod to do this. Get a small bowl and put warm water in it. Then add a tiny bit of laundry detergent from the pod. Don't go overboard, because it's super concentrated. Drop your jewelry into the soapy bath, but don't toss in stuff with delicate stones or pearls. They won't like it. Use a soft brush, like an old toothbrush, to gently scrub the jewelry. Get into all those nooks and crannies. After the scrub down, rinse the jewelry really well with clean water to wash off any leftover detergent. Dry it up with a soft, lint-free cloth and make sure it's totally dry before you put it back on or store it. Number 12, freshen up sneakers. Need to make your smelly sneakers less stinky? No problem. Using a laundry pod to freshen up sneakers can be a simple and effective way to remove odors and freshen them up. You'll need a laundry pod, a bowl of warm water, a soft brush or an old toothbrush, and of course, your sneakers. Toss a laundry pod into a mesh bag and then into your smelly sneakers to help eliminate odors and freshen them up. Voila! Your sneakers should be smelling way better now, all thanks to those laundry pods. Number 11, toilet bowl cleaner. Ever run out of toilet bowl cleaner and found yourself in a bit of a jam? No worries, you can actually use a laundry pod to get that toilet sparkling clean. First, drop a laundry pod right into the toilet bowl. Give it about 15-20 minutes, then grab your toilet brush and give the bowl a good scrub. That laundry pod will have loosened up the gunk, so it's easier to clean. After some scrubbing, just flush, and you're all set. Your toilet will be fresh and clean, and you've saved yourself a trip to the store for more toilet bowl cleaner. Easy peasy, right? Number 10, car wash. Using laundry detergent on your car's exterior is actually pretty awesome. It's super good at tackling all that dirt and grime. But here's the deal. You gotta dilute it a bit. Don't go all in with the detergent. Just 1 tablespoon in a whole bucket of water is all you need. Oh, and don't pick anything too hardcore. A mild detergent is the way to go. Anything stronger might mess up your car's paint job. So, grab a bucket, mix in that laundry detergent, and get your car looking fresh without any worries. Number 9, clean makeup brushes. You can effectively clean your makeup brushes using a laundry pod. Start by dissolving 1 to 2 laundry pods in warm water to create a mild soapy solution. Dip and swirl your dirty brushes in the solution, allowing them to soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse the brushes with clean, warm water and repeat if necessary. Reshape the bristles and let the brushes air dry completely on a clean towel. This method keeps your makeup brushes clean and ready to use. Number 8, dishwasher makeover. Yes, you read that correctly. When your dishwasher needs a pick-me-up, toss a detergent pod into the empty machine and run a hot cycle. Watch as these magical pods dissolve and unleash their cleaning power, leaving your dishwasher sparkling clean and odor-free. Number 7, upholstery stain remover. It's kind of obvious when you think about it. The stuff that gets your clothes spiffy clean can do wonders on upholstery and carpets too. Here's the deal. If you've got a stain, grab some powdered laundry detergent. Sprinkle it right on the stain, then give it a gentle rub with a damp cloth to work that detergent in. Wait around 5 minutes, then brush off the extra detergent and do it all over again if the stain's still hanging around. See? Your upholstery and carpet can look brand new in no time. Number 6, garbage disposal cleaner. Say goodbye to those yucky garbage disposal odors. Just pop a detergent pod into the disposal, flip the switch, and let the pod do its thing. The fresh scent and cleaning power will tackle those unwelcome smells, making your kitchen smell all nice and inviting. Number 5, shine your jewelry. Want to bring back the shine to your jewelry? Well, here's a cool trick using a laundry pod that can help you do just that. Start by rounding up your jewelry pieces that have lost their sparkle. Grab a laundry pod and dissolve it in a small bowl of warm water. Let your jewelry take a little dip in that soapy solution for about 5-10 minutes. This gives it time to loosen up any gunk or tarnish. After the soak, get yourself a soft brush or a toothbrush and give your jewelry a gentle brushing. Rinse everything off under running water to get rid of any soap and leftover debris. Then pat your jewelry dry with a soft cloth and give it a gentle polish. Your jewelry should now be shining like it's brand new. So if you've got some jewelry that needs a little pick-me-up, this laundry pod trick could be just the ticket. Number 4. Shower head shine. Is your shower head losing its sparkle? Fear not. Wrap a detergent pod in a cloth or secure it with a rubber band around the shower head, ensuring that the pod is submerged in water. Leave it overnight, and in the morning, remove the pod to reveal a brilliantly clean and clog-free shower head. Number 3. Floor cleaner. The cleaning enzymes in laundry detergent work great at pulling away dirt from floors. Fill your mop bucket up with hot water, then add 1 teaspoon of laundry detergent. A little goes a long way. Make sure to wring out as much water as possible from your mop as you clean. Too wet and you'll leave streaks. Number 2. Clean oven racks. Cleaning oven racks can be a real hassle, but using laundry pods makes it much easier. Start by dissolving a laundry pod in hot water, then soak the dirty oven racks in the soapy solution overnight. In the morning, scrub away the grime with a sponge or brush, rinse, and you're good to go. Number 1. Unclog a drain. Got a clogged drain? No worries. You can totally use a laundry pod to fix it up. Here's what you need: a laundry pod, a pot of boiling water, and your sink or tub with that pesky clog. While the water is boiling, grab a laundry pod and toss it into a cup or something. Pour a little hot water from the pod in there to get the pod to start dissolving. Now, pour that partially dissolved pod mix straight down the drain. Immediately pour the boiling water down the drain. The hot water will help further dissolve the clog and flush it away. Wait around 15-20 minutes and see if it did the trick. That's all we have for today. If you want to see more popular videos we made, click one on the screen. Thanks for watching and see you next time.